Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Knowing the Infinite Creator, Our Quest for Oneness with Source. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. January 6, 2020. Every moment we are provided by Source with intense energies, from a magnetic sun, and now with a blaze of light flowing within ourselves, our whole being. These energies affect the consciousness of the universe, the stars and our planet, loving energies manifesting the core of our internal systems, allowing us to sense, feel flowing love, care, compassion, and kindness, for self and others, awakening the light within to that of knowing wholeness, completeness and oneness with Source. Source is called many names, or nameless, but in most cases is known as Creator, the Supreme One. The word God can be a misnomer, as historian Harari, endorsed by Gates, tells us at least several gods are worshipped by humans. From nothingness, Source created within herself, core energies of love, and free will. Others call it again, a collective consciousness of energies, energy cores in numbers of 12, to energy core of 144, all originating from all that is. From this core of energies, healing systems originated at the cosmic level, and within the core of the infinite Creator, energy within us as expressions of Source. There are many stories weaved on the travels and travails of Sanat Kumara, and 144,000 martyrs, light beings, who volunteered to serve and revive a darkened earth, collapsing eons, a tale or truth. We are volunteers on earth. At this very moment we recognize Council of 12, and 144, and numerous light beings for their love for creations of the Creator who are present in all major ascension shifts of planets, and the collective consciousness of the universe, and now ascension of Earth and humanity. The Creator is oneness, the universe, the galaxies, the suns, stars, and the planets, and experiences. Energy conversion into many forms of life, some billion years old, and some like human beings, living to 70 to 80 years, on a planet we call Earth, Terra. Those who tried to experience fatal and terrible negative acts against self and others have to relive lives and work for positive deeds for several incarnations. Those who favored and did positive acts of goodness in their previous lives and were simultaneously exposed to darkness, allow them to know love, forgiveness and compassion. Human collective consciousness generated enough light frequency to make us candidates for a shift to ascension. This experiment in our plane created a presence of observers, light beings, from universes and galaxies all around us, assisting in light ways mostly through our intuition without violating free will of humanity. That is the beauty of creation and co-creation, manifested consciously or unconsciously as we are fragments and expressions of the Creator as we pass through a quarter of a dozen core energies on our way to Earth. That is how our souls learn to know kindness, compassion, pain, trials and tribulations, knowing wisdom, after eons of evolution and incarnation on suns, universes and planets of creation of Source. In the process there are ascended masters who mastered unconditional love, compassion, and meditation whose lives are manipulated to serve darkness, to make slaves and wealth from humans, through false beliefs, preach to sit on the right hand of a throne at 3D, or to where Creator is everything, energy. Here we are at a momentous pure existence, if we so desire. The core energies, solar level sun, the globe of creation, and the blazing sun are with us, cosmic energies that connect us with the divine plan, which is happening right now at our doorsteps. The most beautiful event in our century is happening at our times, the blazing light flowing, permeating our cells, whole beings, our souls, and allowed by divine mind to be absorbed by human beings for healing, cleansing and unconditional love. Through our intuition brought to light by inner beings of the 9th to 12th core energies, we recognized incoming ascension shift as a most probable timeline for us. Many human beings had astral travels and dream slates of oneness with a light blaze, a globe of creation, a solar sun, and Christ consciousness. We soared with our guides' assistance with a solar or blazing sun to the universe faster than light at 4D, the dream dimension, where we are all in, on track to 5D, to such beautiful ascension happening. These events bring the most powerful blaze and flame of light, a light blaze igniting the presence of healing systems at the cosmic level, activating the light codes and divine imprints which influences our being, our heart chakra, spinal column, and immune system, allowing us to recognize who we are, expressions of Source energy that emits light from within. In messages of 9D beings, through humans to wit, choose the path of love, the path of forgiveness, and the path of compassion. It is the path of letting go that gets you to the 5th dimension with the greatest amount of ease and joy. We are entering the ascension shift, transference to another vibrational frequency to 5D, we all desire, where unconditional love and abundance are norm, and no physical nor emotional pains are present. It is our time to be ready for this wonderful happening, the ascension shift. Preparation is required to be part of this momentous event. Wholeness, completeness and oneness are common words but befitting to the divine plan of our quest and journey to return home while co-creating along the way. We are on track to oneness with the infinite Creator. Love and Light from Angel Ornedo Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations creating jobs, share teachings everywhere, anywhere. Link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or articles at the net. Goodbye, and please come again.